Hello! As requested, today we're going to be drawing the leader of the Maximals, Optimus Primal. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a new drawing. Also, if you feel like the video is moving too fast, remember you can always change the playback speed in the bottom right corner of your screen. Take your time, relax, and let's get sketching. As we draw, I'll be sharing some fun facts and interesting details about Optimus Primal. Fun fact, many people confuse him with Optimus Prime, but they are different characters. Optimus Primal is actually a descendant of the Autobots from about 300 years in the future, and he named himself after Optimus Prime to honor him. Interesting detail. He is the leader of the Maximals, a faction of Transformers that are the descendants of the Autobots. They usually transform into animals instead of vehicles. Cool info. His alternate mode is a massive silverback gorilla. In the original Beast Wars series, he chose this organic form to protect himself from the dangerous energon radiation on prehistoric Earth. A cool quote. While Optimus Prime has "roll out," Optimus Primal has his own iconic catchphrase. When things go wrong, he famously says, Well, that's just Prime. Weaponry. Optimus Primal is famous for his dual cyber blades, the curved swords he uses in battle, and his hidden shoulder-mounted cannons. Interesting fact, unlike the original Optimus Prime, who was a military commander, Optimus Primal was originally a captain of an exploration ship called the Axelon. He was more of a scientist and explorer before the Beast Wars began. Transformation history. Throughout the Beast Wars series, Primal had several forms, including a transmetal form where he was a metallic blue gorilla that could turn into a hoverboard-riding robot. movie star. He made his big screen debut in Transformers Rise of the Beasts 2023, where he was voiced by Ron Perlman. He looked much more mechanical and ancient compared to his cartoon version. Flight ability. In the original cartoon, Optimus Primal had built-in jump jets on his back, allowing him to fly in robot mode, something the original G1 Optimus Prime couldn't do without a jetpack upgrade. The Rivalry. His main enemy is Megatron, but not the one you're thinking of. He fights the Beast Wars Megatron, a Predacon who transforms into a purple T-Rex.
And we are finished drawing Optimus Primal. Don't forget, you can download the Optimus Primal coloring page in the description box below. Thank you so much for drawing with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the next drawing idea. Bye-bye.